Hi, in this video I will show you how to upload any image and turn it to a thumbnail or a marketing visuals for your advertisement. Let's start. First we need to start with uploading an image by selecting image from here. I have chosen this image to work with. Let's analyze the scene first. Now ClipKraft is analyzing the image and this should take around, it was less than 10 seconds. Brilliant. Now let's choose a persona to work with. So I'm just gonna choose LeBron James, and here we have two options. We have photorealistic mode or color pop. Let's choose color pop this time. Now ClipKraft is creating the image with a new persona. Lovely. This is the result we have received, and as you can see, it has created this scene with a new persona, James. Now of course, if you like to have more options to look at and compare, you can always click on regenerate scene as much you like. However, we always recommend to download the image first before going ahead and regenerating an image. Lovely. So the image has been saved and we can go ahead and click on regenerate scene to receive more options. Now we just wait around 30-40 seconds and we should see the new regenerated result. Brilliant. Here we have it. You can regenerate as much images you like by clicking here. The second option we can do is to edit the image with AI edit, and we can do any changes we want in the image with just a prompt. So let's try something. Change the scene to Mount Everest and add red jacket clothes on the rhino, and the man is wearing white hat and blue winter jacket and pants, brown boots. Once you're happy with the prompt, you can go ahead and click on apply edit here. Now we wait around 30-40 seconds and we should receive a new result with the new changes. And that's perfect. Here we have the rhino. We have received exactly everything we wanted from the prompt. And you can make as much changes you like from the AI edit. We can also adjust colors by clicking here. And here you can adjust the colors as much you like. So we can do the contrast, we can do the saturation, warmth, coolness, and so on. If you're not happy, you can click on reset and start all over again. Once you're happy, you can go ahead and click on saved version. And here, as you can see, we have received a new image with the new adjusted color changes. If you need to do more changes, you can go back again to adjusted color and start all over again. Here we have the original, and we can also add text by clicking here. Here you can write anything you want, Everest. You can choose the font family, the text color, and outline color. Let's choose that. Now we have these colors. You can do a lot of other changes. Once you're happy, add text. Here is the text. You can move it where you want, and you can also expand the size and so on. If you're happy with that, you can just click save image. If you're not happy, you can delete the layer from here and start all over again. However, we are happy, so we click on save image. Here we have the new image and we started from this image. As I said, you can do any changes in the AI edit. As much specific you are, as much better result you get. Great, now we can download the image, and the image has been downloaded. That's everything about photo upload. Thank you.